Now, how can you open any video file on your iCloud on the iPhone? Let's explain that. So, by default, the iCloud photos are automatically backed up and synced to your iCloud. So that means that the photos and videos you capture on your camera using the phone will then in the background be uploaded to your iCloud account. And if you want to change it, you can open up the settings, tap on your profile, proceed to iCloud and locate photos, and you can disable it right here. The way I like to keep track of my iCloud photos is that I keep this option turned off. I don't like my photos to be automatically backed up right here. But if there is any kind of video file or something I want to specifically upload to my cloud and not include every photo I capture, I use this method. So I just locate and open up my Safari web browser, and then into the URL search, I type in iCloud.com. And using this, I can essentially sign in, scan my face using Face ID, and get access to my iCloud account. There, I can browse my emails, notes, and everything within the web browser. And naturally, the photos section can be found there as well. And if I want to just open any kind of file in my iCloud or just add it from my phone, I click on this little upload icon. I can just upload anything, any specific video or photo I capture. So I like this method because it doesn't work as a blanket solution and it doesn't automatically upload every picture I take with my phone, only the selected ones which I choose manually. So if this is the thing that you wanted to see and know about, then hit the thumbs up on the video and subscribe for more guides like this one. And if not, most definitely let me know below in the comments what's going on, and we can see each other in the next videos. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.